Okay, so what happens is the transmitters are up in the sky, the satellites, the defense satellites, like we talked about. Our receiver is watching them. And what happens is it will communicate back and forth with the transmitters in the sky to show our exact position back here on Earth. And this particular model is usually accurate. In fact, it shows right now that we are accurate within 8 feet. Anytime that you're within 8 feet of your target, you're doing exceptionally well. You have no issues. So this is locked in accurate currently within 8 to 9 feet. It's varying slightly. And the government can change that. If there was a threat of some type and they wanted to, they can actually change the accuracy on you and throw it completely off with no notice whatsoever. Does not happen that often. I've experienced something like that one time in the past 7 years, and unofficially I was told that it was because of some type of a threat, and that the government threw them off for a couple hours, and then they came back. Does not happen that often, though. It's very accurate. I operate a business with this, and I would be lost. It wouldn't be as handy. Reading a map is not the answer when you have this type of device.